but these are beautiful fish right there. Look how beautiful it is. Super gorgeous American shad. This is one of the big one I caught. Gave me a pretty good fight. That's a beauty. Right there, look at that. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm back out Bonneville Dam, and there's nobody out here. It's July 4th. Look, no one, because they're all partying. And I'm coming out here because I want to see if I can catch any shad. It's towards the end of shad season, so I'm just really curious will I catch. And there's no car. Holy cow, there's like one way down there. Only one. I'm all alone. I'm hoping I will kill it, so you guys will know when to come and stuff. All right, let's go down. I'll see you guys shortly. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the wind noise, but check this out. I'm all alone. There's only like 2 or 3 people right there with one car that came in, and then myself. So we're gonna go see how much shad I can catch. I'm hoping I can catch because the season is basically over. So there's videos for you guys to see if we can catch any fish today towards the end of shad season. Like I said, July 4th. No one's out here. Let's go, baby. Guys, it's pretty slow out here. We got one shad, baby. Let's go. Alright guys, so towards the end of the year, they're really small. I don't know why. Right there, that's number 2. See, I killed her. 3 big ones so far. No eggs because they laid all the eggs already. And there's a few people that just came down too, so it's gonna be a fun evening. This is number 4. Look at that beauty. They're still biting. I can't believe it. It's July and they're biting still. I'm having tons of fun. Guys, I never expect to catch shad this time of the year. Like, I came out here just to test it out, and also I want to see if there's people out here. And at first there was like no one, only like one car as you saw in the video, at the beginning of the video. Now there's like some folks just came down too, but I'm just really impressed that I caught some shad. I've never been shad fishing in July, and I really thought I wouldn't catch. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys like if there's anybody down here fishing for shad instead of anybody's catching, and no one's really catching. So if you're coming from far away, I would really suggest you to come out here because it's really slow. The bite is really slow. I lost about 4 or 5 fish. And you saw in the video I caught 4, and it's a lot of fun, but it's so late in the year that you won't catch. So if you come from far away, like I said, it's not worth the drive because they're not like constant biting action like in my earlier videos. So this is like my last time out here. I'm not gonna come back out. I just want to make this video to show you guys if the fish is still biting like in July, early July. But I'm gonna see if I can catch one more. If not, I'm gonna go home. I'm pretty darn far away from here. Alright guys, no fish. No fish. I'm gonna get ready, go to my truck, get out of here, and end the video up there. Let's go. Here's the 4 fish, or the 4 shad I caught earlier. Look how beautiful they are, and they're all done laying eggs. So that's why their belly isn't like big and plump. But these are beautiful fish right there. Look how beautiful it is. Super gorgeous American shad. This is one of the big one I caught. Gave me a pretty good fight. Then here's the second big one right here. That's a beauty right there. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. And then the third one right there, still super fresh, just caught it. And then the small one right here, right there. Look at that. Comment below if you guys have any questions. Like I said earlier when I was down there telling you guys, it's not worth making the drive back out to Bonneville Dam. The bite is super slow. It took me a while to catch a few bites, and I lost a few. Some folks around me caught some too, but they're super slow. Even though the number count at the dam is it's not super high, but last time I checked, it was like 33,000 that went through the dam. So I thought I might do good, but I know in July no one really comes out. But I really want to make this video because on YouTube you'll see people make videos like early shad season, early shad fishing, but there's never late shad fishing. So hopefully I'm the first one to make this. I want to show you guys that you can still catch shad if you're nearby Bonneville Dam in early July. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time on my adventure, okay? I'm gonna use this as bait, so I'm not gonna do a catch and cook on these fish. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.